Yeah, g'day guys, girls. Just going over my bike and what I've done, I've put new handlebars, new grips, new suspension, front and rear, bash plates. The Serbia's pretty good. K-savers, new exhaust, couple of fresh knobbies, new seat. On my 2015 DR650. Yeah, she's going well. I put the new rear shock in, it was sitting up very high, so all I did was loosen the preload and she's good.